singing, hey mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey mama, we're gonna be alright.
Hey guys, it's Tori. So today I am doing another Halloween look, and I'm super excited for this one. I am doing the Violet Bergensen, I think is how you say her last name, tutorial. So she is little Violet from Willy Wonka, and I'm so excited. So yeah, I got on a blue hoodie. I have all of my supplies over here. Like, I have a lot of stuff sitting over here for this look. But yeah, I hope you all enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and let's just get started. So I'm currently watching Teen Wolf. I just started it yesterday. I'm on episode 5 right now, and I already love it. I'm in love. So don't mind them, they're watching football. But yeah, I'm so excited. It's good. So if you haven't watched Teen Wolf, it's on Amazon Prime. Go watch it. Fully 1000% recommend. Okay, so I finished my base. Now we're gonna go in with the iMagic 12 Flash Color Palette. So I'm going to mix 2 shades together. I'm going to mix the blue and the purple together because that's what the original creator of this makeup look did, is she mixed those 2 shades together. So that's what we're gonna do. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm just gonna mix them on the back of my hand until it makes a purpley tone. Then I'm gonna start applying it to my nose. So you just start kind of patting it on, I guess. Just gonna build it up, and that's all. With the Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia. This is my sister's, so thank you, Zoe. She told me I had to give her a shout out if I was gonna use it. But I'm going to be putting the purple and blue shades on, and I'm putting a lot of the purple. So this is going to go above my eyebrows to add more of like a spreading look. So we're just going to put that there. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this blue NYX eyeliner, and I'm going to create veins coming out of the, like, I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm just going to make little veins so that it looks more realistic to the movie. Lashes, I went in with a Kiss Corset, my favorite, and for lips I'm going in with a tiny bit of MAC Velvet Teddy, and then a lot of gloss on top because you need to have a little bit of color to your lips. I'm going to mix my ColourPop gloss, and then I'm going to put this gloss by Estate on top. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. I really like it. I think it's super cute. sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, babies, and happy spooky season.